So today is day 4 of what I eat in a week. I'm going way over 20 hours as per usual. So I'm gonna make some food now. Yay! And today, since I eat jam squash, added some boiling water and I'm gonna cook it for like a couple of minutes. Well, 20 to 30 minutes. Buying some mince, some lean mince in a tablespoon of coconut oil. Then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of Carb Smart, but I'll show you guys. So this is what I'll be adding to my mince. And I took the lid off because I'm gonna add it as it is, so the chili can come out, the flavor, the spice. And then I'm gonna add this crushed garlic and ginger. Bleh. Well, it's actually not that bad. I didn't even get to like taste. This is why I actually don't like this paste stuff. Just prefer the other like crushed garlic. But yeah, I'm gonna add this. Why is it open? Okay, and then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of these sticky braai sauce, 1 tablespoon, and just fafa of this. Oh, I'm also gonna add this baddie. Forgot about this one. I'm gonna add this baddie as well to the mixture, and we'll see how it goes. So there you go, sticky braai and the spiced crushed garlic and ginger. As you can see, I added more of the chili and garlic spice because whose mince is this anyways? I'm gonna add a bit of salt, and yeah, I'm just gonna mix it all up together and then let it cook for a bit, and it should be done. And I'm gonna have it with my jam squash, which is still going. Whoa. Ain't she a beauty? So I've added my butter at the bottom, my teaspoon of butter, like literally just like half a teaspoon for each. And then I'm gonna add some cheese. Move, butter. Then I'm gonna add some cheese. Nom nom nom. Put it in the microwave to melt the cheese. It looks good. So now I'm going to dig in. This is where I'm sitting today. 10 grams of the 15, 6 net carbs, 67 grams of the 79 of fat, 789 calories, 1 jam squash. The butter is going to go on to the jam squash. Well, it went onto the jam squash, let me put it that way. And then some grated cheese, half a cup, 1 serving of lean beef mince, a tablespoon of coconut oil for the mince, and then I used 2 tablespoons for the sticky braai and 2 tablespoons for the sweet chili. And then later for dessert, I'm having a toffee crunch chocolate from Karen Candy. Hopefully I'll have it within the 4 hours. Hello beautiful people, and today is day 5 of what I eat in a week to lose weight. We'll be having a pumpkin, spinach, and some pork. Yay! I'll be roasting my pork, boiling my pumpkin and mashing it up, and then I'll be frying this one over here in some mushrooms and some onion. With the pumpkin, as you can see, it's still cooking. There's some cinnamon, and once the water is done, I'm gonna add butter and a little bit of my alternative sugar. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of butter there, and then with the spinach, I fried it in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. So you can add mushrooms and onions and whatnot and spices to your preference. And then over here, over here. And then over here, as you can see, my meat is looking juicy. So yeah, I'm roasting it up. Hello guys, I'm so hungry today. So this is pumpkin and some butter and some cinnamon and some alternative sugar, and then I have spinach over there with some mushrooms and onions, red onions, and some spices, and then I have some roast pork. Also spiced it up and marinated it with the sticky rice sauce and the sweet chili and some spices. So yeah, this is me today. As you can see, my fast is over. Elapsed time is 35 minutes or almost 36. And yeah, I'll only break it once I've actually started like eating. So for today's meal, I went over my carb intake for the day. As you can see, 23 grams of 57 grams of the 79 grams of fat, which is small, tiny things. And then there's the protein. It's like half of what I should be having. And then with calories, I'm like 720 calories. And yeah, this is me for today. But as long as I'm like below 30, I'm fine with it. Yay! My fast is still going strong. I'm gonna wait it out for like another hour or so until I break my fast. Today I'm having pork ribs and sweet potato fries. Today it is day 6. On today's menu is this not so keto friendly meal that I'm having, because there's like, so I bought these ribs already marinated and whatnot, and these fries are from sweet potato fries are from McCain. To cut the long story short, the ingredients for the marinade is just wowza, and the sugar content is just like ugh. I think it's about, per 40 grams of ribs, it's about 6 grams of carbs, and then the McCain sweet potato fries just have all these added extras with the wheat and maize and whatnot and starch, and just like, it's, yeah. So next time I am buying my own ribs, marinating it, and I will be getting the much cleaner version of sweet potato fries. But yeah, this is day 6 and it is my cheat day. Friday is my cheat day, so yay. Usually I would have pizza, but yeah, I thought I should switch it up because a pizza video is coming soon, so yay. So your girl decided to go for seconds last night. So my fast started a little late. And at this point, I'm actually just going to break this fast now because I am tired and hungry and I just need some food. Yeah, it was also supposed to be day 10 of CHLOE Ting Ab Challenge, but I'll just do that tomorrow now. Like, not feeling it. Look at my yummy meal. Got some beef burgers and some cheese and some apple. I really suck at cutting apples, but hey, I tried. And then there's some 1000 Island sauce on the side. So yeah, let me dig in. So these are my carbs for today. And my fat, 76 or 79, which is wowza for a change. 49 grams of protein and 927 calories. So yeah, that was my meal today.